Hey everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. It is finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet Stroker 450 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1966 Chevelle. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with the late model block, 4-volt main block, one-piece rear main seal, brand new timing cover, new balancer, polished water pump, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, brass freeze plugs, painted the Chevrolet orange, proper oil pan for the 66 Chevelle. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Real nice chrome Chevrolet valve covers, the polished air gap intake manifold, chrome thermostat housing, thermostats installed, PCV ventilation line. Customer wanted the Edelbrock carburetor on there, got that on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. 14-inch air cleaner, the drop base on there for hood clearance. We have the HEI distributor all set in place, ready to go. We have the proper standard flywheel for the 66 Chevelle, proper balance and tooth count for the 383, high torque mini starter on there, chrome dipstick and tube, breathers on there, electric choke wire. It's this way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, complete, ready to go. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. You'll see the manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, fully dialed in, carburetor adjusted, timing set, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.